Hi, I'm Dylan from Aeroponics. I'm here today to show you how to set up the 6-plant monster flower aeroponic machine and also some of the key features about it and how you can expand it and different pump options you can use. Okay, first we'll start with the reservoirs. This here is the reservoir, sits right under the plant container, and that way you don't have to have a auxiliary reservoir for everything to flow back to. You got reservoirs set right under your plant containers. Set the reservoirs parallel to each other, about 18 inches apart, to allow for your return pipes and pump return or pump feed pipe to adapt. Here's a pump that flows continuous. It's a low pressure pump. This is quick fittings, adapt right to the system. Slide this one in so you can see. Line it up to the union. And tighten that side first. And then we'll go get the return pipe. This here goes on the other end. One's a drain, the other's to recycle the fluids. I'll show you that feature a little later. Attach this one the same way we attach that to one side first. Just hand tighten the fittings. Slide this reservoir over. And tighten these fittings. Here we have the down pipes. These go right in the feed to the pump. That way when your water level gets low, it'll suck your reservoirs right down within a half an inch to a quarter of an inch on the bottom. Or if you want to use your pump to drain the system, it'll suck it right down. That way you don't have much fluid left in there to dump. Places right there. On this side. Next. These here are your plant containers. Each plant has its own spray nozzle. Each nozzle is fully adjustable. And you just set these right on the reservoirs, making sure feed pipes are towards the center of the system and the plant sits out here. You can also see the drain slots in the bottom of each container. This here allows the water to recirculate back down. Here's the nozzle that goes on through the feed pipes. Just put the nozzle right in. It's got an O-ring goes behind it. Goes right on. Easy quarter turn to assemble those. Got the other 6 all put together, ready to be snapped on. The other following. Next, we put on the feed pipe assembly. This here comes up out of the pump, goes through your inline filter, and then out to the feed pipes, which miss each root in each container. Simple, easy access to the filter for cleaning. An O-ring, slides right in, take it out, wash it. Replaceable screens. This here, set it on top of your pump, and tighten the first union, and then tighten it onto your feed pipes. Direct your nozzles so they're shooting straight out, because they're going to shoot a twin jet, and they do. Hand tighten, do not over tighten. This here, the feed pipe comes down from the pump, comes around, and then goes down to a recirculation and drain feature so you can use the pump to drain the system. That attaches on this end with a couple of quick unions. Just like that. Next, we have our 4 access lids. They go over the convenient access ports. That gives you full access for cleaning, maintaining the system throughout the grow cycle, adding the nutrients. Next is your plant container lid. Place the plant container lid on so the nozzle is beneath the 4-inch access hole. And the 3-inch hole is where your plant goes. That goes on the outer edge. These here are your net cups. These are a support structure for your plant. You start your seedling in these, then after they grow big enough, or you can start your seedling in here, in the system, and allow it to grow to a full mature plant. This is just a carrier. It just supports the plant, and this here is what will fill up with your roots. This won't restrict the growth of it. Set those in. These here are your 4-inch access lids. Provides access to the nozzle. Push those down. This way, if you had a clogged nozzle, you don't have to disrupt the plant, the roots, and it gives you full access to check on your plant's roots. There's a fully assembled 6-plant monster flower aeroponic growing system. Thank you.